Hello guys, today, oh my god. Okay. Yep. Oh my god, oh my god. Man, why did my cousin say that? Come on. Yeah. Okay. Winners, Dang Dang, Casey. We have so much drama. Oh, mine to find the diamond, okay? Mine. The diamond. Oh my god. What? Okay. What? No, the other. Oh my god. Oh my god. Mine. Oh my god. Oh, she made a ninja. Myland. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Mine. It's mine. No. The diamonds. Oh, we're gonna die. Oh. Okay. Hold up, guys. No, 18 seconds left. What are we gonna? Okay. No. Hold up. What the? We're doing World Cup. Okay, no, not copyrighted. Totally not copyrighted. No, the balls. Okay, there's so much thing happening. Okay, now join. My cousin is joining the game. Oh hell no! Whoa, just join, cousin. Stay near the lights. Oh, huggy wuggy. Where's the huggy wuggy woo? Wuggy woo. Why is everyone not here? Oh no. Oh no. Okay, go. Go to the ball pit. It's the safest place. Coconut Roblox event. Meow. Join. Please join. Just click the name and join me. Please. Wow. Okay, wait, guys. Okay, it's stupid. Oh, hurry, get to the other side. What's happening? Oh, no! Oh my god, you're in the game. Pat is my cousin. Postman Pat. Yeah, so iconic. His name is Pack. Super Pack. Say hello. The viewers. Oh, whoa. Why is my cousin not saying it? What? Get ready, fight. Oh, hell no. No, I died. Oh, come on, Pat. Where's Pat? Where is my cousin? There she is, Pat. Oh my god, what is she doing? Wait. People. Oh, where's Pack? Come on, talk. Say hello. Oh, you die. Oh my god. That was so crazy. What was that? Pat. Wow. Okay. Remaining Fiango. Let's say in this video we are just gonna be laughing. Get coin. Oh, what the shape? Find a circle. I'm on a circle. Find a pink circle. Oh hell no. Where's the pink circle? I will ping the pink triangle. Find a deep orange triangle. Here, come on, Pat. Find a green wedge. What do you mean? Where's the green wedge? A lime green wedge? No! Find a dark blue cylinder. This one, dude. Find a lime green wedge. Come on, cousin. What are you doing? Get to the green wedge. Come on, Pattinson. Let's just call her Lexi, okay?
No.
Alexa, Lexi. No, maybe not Lexi. Find a bright red ball. What? Oh, you're here. Wow. Coin. Press the button. Where are we? We're in a green maze. No. Don't follow me. Sis, do it. Just do it. Ooh, Lexi's following Dylan Joe. Cute. Why are we laughing for no reason? Where are we? Where? Where? Oh, press the button. I press the button. Get ready. What? Snowball fight. Pack. Alexi. Ow. What the ball, man? What the snowball? Olaf, frozen. Lexi's favorite stuff. What did you say? I'm whining. I'm whining.
Wow.
Wow. Oh hell no. What the hell? Yeah. I'm gonna kill you. Kill him. Just kill him. Just say something, come on, do it. Stop being so cringe. We just been hearing you laugh and stuff like. Oh look, I'm the button presser. Oh no, get to the water. What do you mean? No, I'm gonna die. No, I need water. Get to the water. I need it. I don't need it. Wow, Pat died, guys. Pat died. Lexi died. Press the button. Oh, whoa. Oh my god. Oh my god. Obby guys. Intense music played. What the hell? No. Volume down. We're gonna get copyrighted. No, we can't post this video if this video gets copyrighted. Hi. So cringe. Oh no, I can't do. Do it. Just do it. No. What? Sigma? Why did you talk Sigma? That doesn't make any sense. Go find and press the red button. Is this the red button? No. Where is the red button?
Where are you? Huh? What?
Wow.
Wow, I'm hiding.
Oh. Be careful, there are mines. Why did we just die? Answer the question.
Okay, cool.
Come on, Lexi. You haven't talked for the whole entire video. It's been 8 minutes and you haven't even talked. Why are you this shy? You're shy as your little brother.
Okay.
So, press the button. Hurry, push off the ice or off the lobby.
Where?
There is the ice. Push it. Welcome. I almost died. Okay. What's this? Person who clicked the button is gonna win. Cool boy. X664-1 with 46. Ew. You talk. You finally talk for 8 minutes. Wait, 10 minutes. Big brain. Why do we have big brain? Oh my god. What's your... Avoid the boulders. What? Oh no. Oof. Ew, it looks like meatballs. It looks like poop. It looks like poopy poop. Come on, talk to the mic. Do it. Just do it. Say something. At least like hi or something. You can type. Type something. Say something you want to say. Hello. Oh, she finally said something. Hello. Hey. What? Why? Hey. That's weird. Watch out, number 1 fun has a score. Oh no. Where's number 1 fun? Oh, hell no. I guess, yeah. Let's see when Lexi before I see if Lexi dies, this video ends sadly. Oh my god! Now what did you say? Why would you say that? You're not allowed to say that. Oh, what is he doing? What is he doing? Well, now we died. Say something to the mic. We haven't said a single word. Come on, just talk. Gag. Why gag? That's a weird thing. Watch out, a giant black hole. Just say it. Just say something. You've been laughing for the past 6 hours. Say it. Say it. Hello.